Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are talking about the Born to Run palette. This has been one of my favorite palettes since it came out pretty much. It's kind of just been my go-to palette just because it's so versatile. For those of you who haven't seen it yet, there are a bunch of different shades in here and you have such a variety. We have some purples, we have some blues, some oranges, but to be honest, this guy right here has really been calling my name, Wanderlust. He is just a beautiful shade, so I've been dying to do a look focused around that shade, so that's what we're doing today in case you haven't caught on yet. Alright, so as you can see, I just have my base on right now, concealer, foundation. First thing I want to do is cover up that eye, just kind of go over it with a really neutral shade, so just Weekender, which is this guy right here, just to kind of even everything out. Next I'm going to go into Riff. I'm going to start making a combo of this one and going back into Weekender, blending these two together and applying that into the crease. The next thing I'm going to do is go into this dark shade here, which is Good As Gone. Kind of like a chocolatey shade. I am going to start packing that all over the lid, which sounds a little intense, but there it is. I'm going to take a brush like this. Intense, right? Yeah. Reason why we did that really dark color is so Wanderlust will stand out a little bit more on it if you want to see a side by side. This is Wanderlust when put over a darker color, and then this is Wanderlust just swatched by itself. So had I gone straight in with Wanderlust, it wouldn't have had that full green effect that I'm really looking for in this color, which is why when you pair it with the darker color, it helps it stand out a little bit more. I'm going to go in with a really packed brush like this and start putting Wanderlust right on top. Oh my god, that's so pretty. Next I'm going to go in with kind of like a packly fine brush, and I'm going to start taking Smog right here, which is this really pretty bronzy color, and just start blending that in. I'm going to dip into Stranded, which is this gorgeous gold shade right here, and start bringing this into the inner corner of my eye, almost like a little sunburst. Now we have everything blended out, I'm going to start on our lower lash line. I'm going to take a brush like this and go into that original Wanderlust color. Okay, now I am going to go back in with this smaller brush and I'm going to get as close to my lash line as possible with that really pretty gold stranded color. I'm actually going to spray this so that it will really pick up the gold. I hope that is what we're golding for. Get it? Golding? Haha. eyes are almost done. I'm going to hop off camera, do the rest of my face, and then I will be back to wrap up the eyes. Now I am almost done. There's one thing I did do without you. I took this little guy here, went right into Breakaway, and just threw that right underneath the brow bone as like my little brow highlights. I also threw a little bit of that in the inner corner highlight just to add a little extra pop. We are wrapping up here, so the last thing I'm gonna do, a piece of eyeliner, and I'm not gonna do anything crazy with my eyeliner today. What I will be using is our Maybelline Lasting Drama Light Liner. I just wanna like exaggerate what we got going on. Putting that in nice and close, right? And then I'm going to do mascara, you know, the drill. Today we'll be using Lash Paradise. Alright guys, so this is our final look. I actually really like the way it came out. I've been dying to play with that color Wanderlust. Take a good look at this look, guys. Like, really love that. Like, to me, it kind of gives me like Tinkerbell vibe. With that, thank you guys so much for watching. If you are interested in seeing how I did my base face, the lipstick that I'm wearing, or have any questions, comments, concerns, ideas for future videos, leave them down below. I'm always open to feedback, so if there's something you want to see or there's something that you don't want to see, let me know. If you haven't done so already, hit that subscribe button right there. I don't know where it is, but hit it so that you can keep up to date with all my new videos. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!